Hey guys, Scott Morgan here again with another how-to video with our Aimi app. Now, the last one I did was a demo for real estate agents who are promoting residential themselves as an agent for residential properties. And as I was messing with the app, I realized how easy it was to also put out a campaign on your calendar on the wall, campaigns that go out to put out a campaign about your open house. Now, I know that living in our neighborhood, there's open houses every weekend. So I want to show you how easy it is to create a campaign based on an open house. So what you're looking at is the campaign library. And as you can see, I'm going to put my little red button here so I can use that once in a while to show you where I'm at. So right there. So I'm going to use that, add new campaign. I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to put my campaign name, which I'm just going to do for this purpose, or maybe it's open house of the open house that you're doing, right? Open house, but I'm going to name it open house demo because I'll share this to YouTube, open house demo. And then next you're going to put in the date. Now where you're going to figure out when is my open house. Let's say my open house is on the 9th, right? That is next Saturday. So I'm going to start the campaign today, and I'm going to run it from the 2nd to the 8th, or maybe I run it right up to the day of the actual open house, right? Because I'm going to tell them the date of the open house later in the app. Now I'm going to hit set, and now I'm good there. And now, as you may have seen in other videos, when I hit time frames, we're going to let the Aimi app will pick best days and times for your post. That's the beauty of the app. It picks the best dates and times for your post. Leave that. Frequency, if I scroll down, you're going to leave this one here as well. As you read that, Aimi will use best practices and live results to determine the right number of posts to create. That is the beauty of the AI app that we're using with IBM Watson and the servers, and it's constantly machine learning when is best to put the post out. At the bottom, you're going to hit next. And now here's where it gets fun. Right at the top there, real estate realtor residential, right there. So we're going to click on that. And then here's your options, right? Market you as an agent, just a general promotion campaign you can build, or market your agency, market your open house, which is what we're going to do today, market your sold listing, right? If you sold a house, right on, right? So you want to let people know that there's a house that you just sold. It means that you're the real deal and you sell properties for people. Market your listing. Maybe you have a listing, not an open house, but just a listing that you want to put that campaign out there and let people know of a property that you have that's one of your listings. So for this purpose of this demo and how-to video today is market your open house. So we click it. You can see the red mark, and I'm going to hit next. And now is where it gets fun. Now, mention a virtual tour. Now, I know that many realtors in this past year that we've had, this difficult year, the pandemic, a lot of real estate agents are doing virtual tours where they'll take a drone, a camera, and you can see a virtual tour of a property. If that's the case, then you would do that. Take a virtual tour today. Boom. You put the link of exactly where you want them to go for that virtual tour. I'm not going to do that here today for this demo. Strategically added emojis. Leave that on, right? So this one here, you're going to leave that on for the emojis to be added to your post. Append to the end of every post. Now, I've helped other real estate agents before. Well, sometimes we'll click that. Now you see you can add custom text. You might add in there that it says, click the link below, or it says, call me today, period. Whatever you want it to be, but that append is going to be added to every single post that you do. For this demo, I'm just going to leave that off because as you can see down at the bottom, as I scroll down, I'm going to leave, that's just morgan.com. That's where you would put your link, right? Your URL link where you want them to go. This is a post that they're going to see on Twitter, your LinkedIn page, your Facebook business page. Where do you want them to go? That link is where they're going to go to for that property or your website. And then here, these are typically, see where it says call or text. Those are from my last demo. Those are when you first go through building this, they're going to be red, and your job is to turn them green. So you've seen I've done that already. So you would click on it. If I just click on that, you can see it opens up, and here's options for you. You can do custom text or call. I just left call or text. You're going to click on the phone number. You're going to add your phone number, click OK. That's if you want to do that. Maybe you don't, and you click on that button there, and that would turn that option off. Schedule is good, right? If you just want to have them schedule an appointment with you, you would leave that on. But for this in an open house, let's leave that one off. Or if maybe you want them to direct message you, if I click on right here, direct message, that's going to pop up and you scroll through what you'd like. Maybe it's custom. I'm going to leave that for direct message for this demo. Now is where it gets really simple. Now here are variations that Amy needs. Amy needs you to fill these out. Here's what I'm talking about with the red lettering. So if I were in the market, if I see it now went to green, if I were in the market for so many options, right? Maybe it's custom, tiny home, townhouse. Let's leave it home. When I hit select, it's going to go to green. In Dallas, here's we're going to be where you're going to list, right? So for demo purposes, I'm just going to leave it Dallas, right? So maybe an agent in Dallas is seeing this demo and they're seeing how easy this is to do in Dallas. This would be the one. I'm the agent putting the post out. I have a stunning 2-story family home with an open floor plan, 5 beds, 3 baths, and a pool. That's just what we're giving you an idea of but that's what you want to list. Because when I click on that, 2-story family home with an open floor plan, 5 beds, 3 baths, and a pool, you're going to fill, once I click on that, boom, you need to fill your information. You're the expert in this. You're going to fill in what that is. Now, I can also do, if I click in there, let's see if it works on the demo. If I click the microphone and just try and repeat that, 2-story family home with 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. How'd that do? 2-story family home with 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. Again, you're going to be more detailed. I just used the microphone just for the demo purposes, but and I have a memory that lasts like 3 seconds. I couldn't remember what that demo was. Now to show you on Saturday, let's do Saturday, July 8th, 2 to 4. Saturday. Oh no, we had that date, right? Saturday, January 9th from 2 to 4 p.m. Okay, boom. Join me, us. Maybe it's other realtors. Maybe that you're promoting this property with. Join me and then you're going to add the address. 123 Dallas Street. Right, you're going to put in the address of where you want them to go, obviously. Dallas, Texas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, there's the address for the place. Now what you'll see if I scroll through here, that's one, there's 4 variations that you can fill out. If I scroll through, see, I can just swipe through to the next one. Here's another option to fill out, and you would just turn all these reds. The more of these variations that you fill out, the better Amy will do in building the post for you. I'm just going to leave these at that one, but you'll fill them out. Fill out all of them, right? If you're the agent and this is your app and you use that, fill out all of them, because then the posts that are created are just going to be better and better with more of the information that Amy has. Now I'm going to click next. Now here's cool. Also, you can add your own pictures, right? It would make sense that you could add. It would make sense that you put pictures of the actual home that you're showcasing, that you have an open house for. So you can load up manually. I want to add my own. You can add your own if you want to, or just for these demo purposes, I'm just going to hit use. It's not a winter cabin, so you can see it's selected 10 collections because she's thinking, oh, it's real estate, open house. Let me show him a bunch of collections that we have: houses, real estate, residential. Let's leave that one in there. Home improvement. Nope, not a home improvement. Retirement. Nope. Decorations. Maybe. You'll see some of them are to unlock it. You have to get the roofing. We don't need remodeling. There's 3 variations to our app. Dallas, we certainly want pictures of Dallas in there. So 4 collections. I'm going to leave those 4 collections, and now Amy's going to use pictures from those collections. And now we get to that. We've chosen those 4 collections. We click here to build a campaign, and boom, it's done. That is done. How long did that take? So a couple minutes to fill out the information, and then boom, you hit the button. Now here, what you're looking at is that, let's look at this together. Now you'll see, let me scroll my little red button, advanced, basic, and image only. Advanced, this is what the post will look like for the Pro Plus version of our app. But if I click on basic, it's just a picture of that. Now, let me remind you, if you haven't seen a video before, the pictures that we have are royalty free in our app. You don't have to worry about breaking any rules with the pictures. But again, this is an open house. And like I said, you can upload your own pictures right from your phone at the house that you're at. You can go like this, just take your phone out, take pictures, and then boom, put it into this campaign. But maybe it's an image only you want to use for that, or you want the words. The words are going to go automatically on that picture. So that picture you're looking at, that big castle, that's going to be your picture that you upload. And then open house. This is a must-see home. It's going to be all filled out on there. The other cool thing is that you can upload your logo of your company if you'd like to, and it would come out on each picture as well. Huge with our app. You can pause this if you want to stop and read some of those. But now my posts are out. You can see Saturday the 2nd is going to be the first one for about the open house. The 5th at 12 p.m. There's the picture. There's what it looks like in the basic version, or maybe it's just the image only with the verbiage down below. You can choose whatever you choose. You're going to leave it on that one. I like that one. I'm going to do that really cool picture. This is a must-see home. Maybe you like that. Maybe you like the image only, shaking hands with a new home buyer, or you can just swap it out. If you want to swap it out, let's say I hit swap. I like that better. That looks cool. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to swap it out. Boom. I've swapped out the picture. I wasn't crazy about that post. And then I just swap it out. Boom. And then that's the day, right? That's the day. You see the date and time. It all preloads there for you. Now, if we look at the bottom, you'll see call or text the number for more information, and then your link for your website or where you want them to go to. Now, if you're done, let's say you've swiped through these. This is a campaign specific to your open house. It's not every single day, but you're sprinkling the information out there for them. And then right at the top here, let me go to my little red dot, schedule all. You're going to hit that and you're done. Your campaign will then go out to your calendar on your Facebook business page, your LinkedIn page, and your Twitter page. All these posts will then go out and you're done with that campaign for that open house. Now, guess what? Maybe you have an open house that's it's in 3 weeks, or it's in 4 weeks, or it's next week, or whatever. It's in 2 or 3 days. Boom, you build one for that. If you have multiple open houses, just build multiple campaigns for each of those. You can literally get all of your open houses done within, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes, depending how much time you want to spend on the pictures that you upload. But the verbiage, everything is written for you. That's what the beauty of Aimi is. It writes it for you. So that's it. That's the app for real estate agents who are trying to share and be more consistent on their social media pages about an open house, right? So this video is about open houses. I love that you watched. I really appreciate it. I hope I can help you. I know I can help you with being more consistent on your social media pages. So please like the video if you would. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. In the description of this video is obviously going to be the link where you'll take you to the App Store and you can get my app for free, and you can kick some tires and you can see what it does on a free app. It only allows you 2 posts per month. Obviously, as you know, social media, you need to be more consistent with that. So there's upgrade abilities within the app to be able to use a full power of this thing. But you've got me by your side helping with it when you get stuck. But I'm creating videos and I'm going to make it super simple for you to be able to be more consistent on your social media pages. That's the key here, is that you're spending less time trying to figure out social media and exactly what to write. This will help you with that. So then you can spend your time going to homes, meeting with potential clients, calling them, and your social media is taken care of for you with the Aimi app. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Good luck on selling that home and that open house. See you guys. Peace.